big bass. Come on, bite this thing. Bite this thing. Spook them. Reel it. Bass!
Woo!
Bass! Reel it.
Hurry up, Carter, get it!
Yeah. Keep reeling.
Get it, buddy.
Oh, let me get in here. Get this guy. There you go. All right, go ahead. Go ahead. Hold on. Hold on.
Get it. Woo, that's a big one.
That's a nice bass. That's your first bass. I knew he hit it right there. I knew he hit it.
I'm gonna go over here.
I got him on a 4-inch Cinco. Well, you had him on a frog, right?
Yeah.
A couple times, and then he's definitely on a bat. That's an easy foul. Yeah, hold him. You can hold him like that. You can hold him like that. Hurry up, we gotta get her back in the water.
Man, that mouth.
You hear me?
I say.
Is that a largemouth?
Oh,
Yeah.
you think?
What'd you catch that fish on, man? Huh? Yo, I didn't know it was that big.
I told you it was huge.
She's fine. I gotta get her back in.
All right.
Here, look here.
Get him, Carter, get him. Get him, Carter. We got another one over here. Pull it, pull it. Pull it. We got a twin catch. A twin catch. Yeah, Case. Did you get it? Woo. That was tough. That's so big. That's a big one.
I think Carter got this one just tangled up on his line, because I think the hook is just hanging.
Oh, Lord. Let me see. Oh, look here, Carter. Oh. Okay, you want to release them?
Yeah.
Just
Okay.
throw them in there. Just throw them.
Bend down and throw them in. Yep. That's a nice release. Nice release, Case.
That thing was huge.
Ready? Wait when I tell you. Wait for it to go on. Real hard, pull back. Real hard. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. You got a bass. You got a bass. That's nice.
Get it, get it, Carter. Get it, Carter.
There you go.
Woo!
There you go.
Got it.
Got him.
Oh, that's nice.
That was good release. Nice bass, nice bass, nice bass. Bring him in, get him in, get him in, get him in. I knew it was something by that drain. That's a solid 2.5 right there. Hold on.
You hear me?
Oh.
I've caught more bass today than I've caught my whole life.
That damn thing.
All right, hold it up like underneath. Yeah, hold it up. Hold, there
That's
you
a
go.
nice sized bass.
Little big-headed thing.
Welcome to Outdoor. Today we are going to go fishing.
What kind of fish you gonna catch?
A minnow.
All right.
A minnow. I'm gonna catch a minnow.
Oh, there's bluegill in there
I'm
too.
gonna catch a minnow. I'm gonna catch a rainbow trout.
I don't think-
a minnow. A minnow's probably Carter's size.
I don't think there's any trout in there, but there's definitely bass and bluegill.
Are there crabs growing at the bottom of the
No crabs
sea thing?
in the pond, no. There's no crabs, but there's crawfish. What'd you get? You got a little bluegill.
Got a bluegill.
Go ahead, you can pick him up. He ain't gonna hurt you.
Hook too.
Yeah, that might be a problem.
Worm.
You got a pair of pliers?
His mouth is so tiny.
Yeah.
I think that bass hit it, didn't it?
Yeah, you get over here.
Go slower.
Carter, what did I tell you? Why you reeling it in? Squeeze tight. Yep, and then you put this hand underneath. Yep, just like that. Hold them tight.
Case.
Hold on.
Here, Carter. Hey, come on.
You got one.
Come on.
Go ahead.
Hey,
Go ahead.
Reel him in. Reel him in. Reel him in. Oh man, he's a big one.
Oh, he got off. What do you got there? Yep, get him off? Yeah.
Got him off?
Yeah. Right here. Hold him up, like I showed you. You got, hold him up. That thing's going on the hook.
We got a little hot spot right here. Look at this boat right there.
You got it? That one's happy. Did it bite its mouth?
The hook's in the mouth.
Oh, okay. All right. Let's. Oh, what's in his nose? Hold on. Let's help him.
Oh, the hook's in his nose.
Okay, we'll help him.
That's a fat one.
Yeah, that's
Case
a hot
has
little
got
spot
one.
right there.
Look how pretty that is.
Yeah.
That's a pretty fish.
Case, put him back in the water so he doesn't die.
That's the problem though. They swallow this hook.
Follow that hook.
We got his out of him. Good job, Case.
Those pliers to push down and pull them out.
Good job.
See how I got my hand on his back fin so he don't stab me? Yep,
There you
just
go.
like that. Hold him tight though.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and put him back easy. Nice and easy.
Just squat down.
Pull
Yep.
in.
Oh, that's nice.
That was good release. Reel it. Fast!
Woo!
Fast! Reel it.
Hurry up, Carter, get it!
Put it up.
Yeah. Keep reeling.
Get it,
Don't stop
buddy.
reeling. Oh, let me get in here and get this drag.
Drag
cut.
is on it.
Alright, go ahead. Go ahead. Hold on. Hold on.
Get it. Woo, that's a big one.
That's a nice bass. That's your first bass. Right? You gotta hold this one, okay? Here, come over here. Hold this. Yeah. Get up here.
Let's see it.
Here, hold him. Put your finger in his mouth, like this. Hurry up, we gotta get him back on his bed. Your thumb,
Thumb.
thumb like this.
Can I take a picture while this is going?
No, but we can.
Oh, it's scary.
Thumb, put your thumb in there. He ain't gonna hurt you. He's got no teeth.
He has a little tail.
There it is.
Okay, let's get him back in. You want
All
to
right.
put him back in?
Get
Okay,
him.
Hold him under his belly.
Gotta get him back in fast so they.
Nice and easy.
They're
Let's
not
lower
shocked.
him down easy, okay? I got you. Go ahead. Nice and easy.
Good job.
There it goes.
Get it. Yeah.
Mom,
What?
how do you get this hook off?
Okay.
Dad, can I hold it? Let me hold it.
I knew he hit it right there. I knew he hit it.
Where it was at.
I'm gonna go over here.
I got him on a 4-inch Senko. What, you had him on a frog, right? A couple times, and then he's definitely on a bed. That's an easy 5. Here, hold him.
Not
You
with
can hold
your
him like
sleeves.
that. You can hold him like that.
Oh.
Hurry up, we gotta get her back in the water. Hold her tight.
Man, that mouth.
Hear me?
Let's see.
Is that a largemouth?
Oh,
Yeah.
you think?
Ew, I can see at the bone.
What you catch that fish on, man? Huh?
What's it called?
Hold him like that. Thumb him like that. Like a man.
He's
Got
probably too heavy.
Okay.
All right,
okay, here.
let her get him.
That's
Dude,
hard. I gotta get her back in and support her belly like that. Okay? There you go.
Can I throw it back in?
Come this way. Move, Case. Yo, I didn't know it was that big.
I told you it was huge.
She's fine. I gotta get her back in.
all right.
Here, look here.
Brian stole our fish.
Ready?
This is heavy.
Senko had a little worm.
I got it.
Yeah, man, it's about 3 or 4 pounds.
She's gotta get back in there. Reel back. Reel. Reel.
Get him, Carter, get him. Get him, Carter. We got another one over here. Pull it, pull it.
Hold up. Reel.
Pull it. We got a twin catch.
There you go. Keep reeling.
A twin catch. Yeah, Case. Did you get it?
Hey, this is what we're putting on now.
Did you get it?
I got it.
Woo! That was tough.
That was a good catch. Look how orange it fell.
Hey, look at this one.
Let's see who's the bigger one.
That's so big. That's a big one.
I think Carter got this one just tangled up on his line, because I think the hook is just hanging.
Oh, Lord.
Towards mom. There you go. Hold your fishes up.
Let me see. Oh, look here, Carter. Oh. Okay, you want to release them?
Yeah.
Just
Okay.
throw them in there. Just throw them.
Bend down and throw them in. Yep. That's a nice release.
Hey, I knew something
Nice
was
release,
that
Case.
first time, and then it like stopped again. I'm like,
Little bass, is it? No, it's a perch. Well, I mean,
alright. That was crazy.
That was a crazy move. You can't fling them up out of the water like that. You know, you got to
You
reel.
got a big fish. You can do that.
Hey, Roo, go right out
Good
the middle
job.
out there with it. Pull it back.
Yeah, there you go.
Yes. Okay, you can't do it anymore. The bobber's at the top. You see it? Bring it over here. He's a big one. With the rod. Can't leave your rod like that, buddy. Go ahead. Spinning. Grab it tight. 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 There you go. No, don't pull it like that. Back it out here.
He's got babies. He's got eggs on that bed back there. No, not me. Reel.
Oh no.
Oh, you got him, but it's working it. Yeah. Easy. I want to pause it too and give him a chance to look at the.
Because there's something behind it bubbling too. Daddy's gonna catch his bass.
Try something else, see if you get that. Huh?
No,
You want
they
to try
get
this one or not?
That thing was huge.
Ready? Wait when I tell you. Wait for it to go on. Real hard, pull back. Real hard. Keep reeling. You got a bass. That's nice.
Get it, Carter. Get it, Carter.
There you go.
Woo!
Is that a smallmouth? That's a smallmouth, ain't it?
Nah. You know what? I seen some of the eyes on him.
Let me see. Yeah, that's a smallmouth, ain't it?
Nah.
Yeah. See how slender he is?
I think he's a small.
He swallowed it. I hate that.
Let him get it, Case.
Be still.
Let us.
I should have took them pictures of these guys a while ago. Remind
That
me to
one?
take a picture of them
This
holding
one?
fish.
I'll send you some.
Go ahead. Pick it up.
Oh.
Watch me. All right.
Okay,
You have to let more line out. All right. Hold on. Oh, you got it.
Right there.
Got it. Got one.
Your bobber is way too high on a.
You put it way too high. That's why it's not working.
Yeah. Okay. That's right.
I got it.
Gave that to you when you were little.
Here you go.
Got it.
got him.
Real.
You don't need to reel.
You got him.
Reel.
You got him already. Just swing him in.
He's real.
Just swing him in.
I got it. Let go. You go get
It's
the fish.
mine.
Go ahead. Take him off of there. Get him.
Put it down on the ground.
Okay, I got it.
He's just excited.
Yeah.
Ain't he?
Stop, Mom. Put it down.
Mom, don't blame me.
That's the fish jumping like that.
Mom, you need to put it down on the front.
Mom will show you how it's done.
I already know how.
He is feisty.
Oh, you got it.
I got that whole thing. That was the...
Those look like smallmouth to me because
They're just real small, yeah.
Jesus.
I feel like they should... It's from the winter, you know, and they're just now starting to eat up. Nah, it's hardly in there.
Yeah. It's just in there.
You gotta flip the bail back.
Get that camera down here and we'll get that release on them. It's in there pretty good. Here we go. See him take off?
Yeah.
Did you get hit? Right there? Flew you all crazy, crooked?
Hello, viewers.
I seen it. I really feel like if we'd have threw these last time we were here, it would have been fine.
We're gonna have to go back over on that side.
Nice bass, nice bass, nice bass. Bring him in, get him in, get him in, get him in. I knew it was something about that drain. That's a solid 2.5 right there.
Oh, he swallowed it.
No, he didn't. It's fine. Hold on.
Yeah.
It's just that one hook in there. Hold that up so I get a picture of it with you. Hold on.
You hear me?
Huh?
You've caught more bass today than I've caught in my whole
With
life.
that damn thing.
All right, hold it up like underneath. Yeah, hold it up. Hold, there
That's
you
a
go.
nice sized bass.
Little big-headed thing. That's gonna be your new lure now. I can see this.
This and the frog. I can't give up on the top.
I don't know if you're giving a frog off. I ain't seen that yet. If they quit making a racket.
You know? Not the one we wanted.
I'll take him.
But
Cut it out.
this baby here.
That was the ticket. And we didn't even bring it last time.
You know?
That's a video recorder.
Yeah.
Got him again? All right.
That's a nice one. We'll take that one too.
I knew that lure was going to work, man. And
That
baby's
shit
just
worked
white
good
and
as hell.
shiny.
Stop.
Bend him back. That's it. Yeah. Oh, you
Get the
just really
release on
had
it.
him.
Get a good release on him. Hold on. If he's there, you're gonna get him. It's just that simple. They're sitting just a little off the bank, you know?
Where'd you catch that last one at? Over by that island?
Very close.
Right
Oh,
here?
yeah, it was right here. The anticipation of that thing bending over. Just crawling that thing. I'm gonna tell Tommy, you see this? This is your new job. Filming us fishing.
Hell yeah. Right there.
Bring it by him. He's gonna see it. Just keep bringing it where you're bringing it. It's gonna go right in his face. All right, go back out that way a little bit. Bring it back past him. Let it go down a little more. Let it sink.
Marshall, get one of those feet. Get one of those.
He followed it a little bit. It wasn't spinning.
All right.
Marshall.
Guys, hold on a second. We're trying to get this fish.
Right, is that one out there?
It might be.
Dead center?
It might be. I see the shadow. Hey, quit doing that.
Got him again.
That ain't the one we want.
Nah. Right in front of him right now. He ain't want no parts of it. Throw it back in front of him. The big bass. Oh, bite this thing. Bite this thing. Spook him.
In the mud.
Yep, go ahead, dump him.
Okay.
Go ahead. No, you don't pick them out, just dump them. Good job.
Get them all.
You have officially been outdoored.